Wash the purple yams. Then poke on both sides. Bake in 400 F oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, flip and bake for another 45 minutes. Set aside. Scrape the yams. Then mash. Put the mashed yam in a bowl. Add the coconut cream. Add the evaporated milk. Add the condensed milk. Add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Mix well. Grease the pan with butter. Pour the mixture to the pan, place a baking sheet underneath. Bake in a 350 F oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. After 1 hour, mix the topping in a bowl by combining the coconut cream, condensed milk, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Stir well. Poke holes on the baked yam. Then pour the topping. Bake in 390 F for 10 minutes. Dessert is ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.